So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. So we are inside our main project. Now look for pip. Here we have two overlay videos. You can download them from the video description. Import the black and white one, scale it up, position it, look for blend, then lighten or screen. Now import the fallen leaves overlay. This one is transparent, so just import, scale and position it. Lastly, resize and reposition your main video where you like. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.